What if the rise of AI doesn't make teachers less important, but more essential than ever? It sounds backwards. AI can explain grammar in seconds. It can generate essays, solve equations, summarize novels, and simulate conversation. It never gets tired, never loses patience, never runs out of examples. So, where does that leave teachers? Here's the truth. Information was never the real bottleneck in education. Guidance is. AI can deliver answers instantly, but it can't replace professional judgment. It can't truly see the hesitation before a student speaks. It can't sense the frustration behind silence. It can't recognize the moment confidence quietly begins to grow. In the age of AI, content becomes infinite, but direction becomes scarce. Students don't just need explanations, they need calibration. They need someone who knows when to increase difficulty and when to consolidate foundations. They need someone who can diagnose hidden weaknesses before they harden into long-term plateaus. AI can generate unlimited practice. Teachers design meaningful progression. AI can simulate feedback. Teachers shape identity, helping students see themselves not as bad at math or weak in English, but as capable learners who improve with effort and strategy. And here's the paradox. The more powerful AI becomes, the more valuable human mentorship becomes. Because when information is free and endless, the real skill is knowing what to focus on and why. The future classroom isn't AI versus teachers, it's teachers amplified by AI. Less time lecturing, more time coaching, less time grading mechanically, more time analyzing patterns, building confidence, and guiding growth. In the age of intelligent machines, teachers don't disappear, they evolve into architects of learning, navigators of complexity, and designers of human potential. And that may be their most important role yet.